Namaskar. Very good afternoon to all. Dear students, a very warm welcome to NIT Agartala and the Department of Chemistry. The Department of Chemistry started from inception of this institute, that is in the year 1965. Since then, the department has flourished in an excellent manner, and at present, the department has been running different programs like BTech first year students chemistry, 5 years BSMS dual degree in chemistry with intake capacity of 25, 2 years MSc course in chemistry with intake capacity of 13, and PhD degree. Both 2 years MSc course in chemistry and PhD degree started in the year 2010, whereas 5 years BSMS dual degree course started in the year 2013. These are the faculty members of our chemistry department, and they are specialized in all organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, as well as computational chemistry. They are teaching all courses like BTech, MSc, as well as BSMS. These are the research areas of the chemistry department faculty members, and which covers all the aspects of chemistry like analytical chemistry, macrocyclic chemistry, transitional metal chemistry, organometallic chemistry, organic synthesis, liquid crystals, coordination chemistry, bioinorganic chemistry, quantum dynamics and quantum computing, nanoscience, their synthesis as well as their applications. Regarding the achievements of the department, since PhD started in 2010, till now 8 students have been awarded PhD degree and 2 students have submitted PhD thesis, whereas 8 students are working at present. Our faculty members are very much qualified and experienced, and they have got sponsored research projects of rupees 280 lakhs in total from different sponsored funding agencies like AICT, DST, CPRI Bangalore, BARC, etc. Our students and faculty members have published a good number of research papers in different international and national journals. They have also presented papers in different international as well as national conferences, and a few book paper chapters have also been published. The students of our department, they are qualified NET and GATE also. Regarding the BTech first year, in the first semester engineering chemistry 1, we are taking the 3 credit course of engineering chemistry 1 as well as 1 credit course of engineering chemistry laboratory. In the second semester, we are taking 2 credit course of engineering chemistry 2. This is the syllabus of first semester of BTech students, and in this semester we are covering 6 important topics based on the applied chemistry for the students, which involves the chemical bonding, fuels, water, pollution and its control, electrochemistry, polymer chemistry. In the second semester, we are covering 4 important topics including corrosion, cement, refractories, and lubricants. The course curriculum should be consistent and sustainable. And it has been observed that students entering in the BTech engineering program, they require to strengthen their concepts of applied as well as basic chemistry for building better foundation before entering the engineering program. So our syllabus, our chemistry syllabus has been framed by our qualified and experienced faculty members, and these has been moderated by eminent academicians as well as scientists of India like IIT Kharagpur, IIT Roorkee, IIT Guwahati, IISc Bangalore, as well as from Shah Institute of Nuclear Physics. We have digital smart classrooms for taking the BTech theory classes, and this can accommodate around 80 students at a time. We have very good BTech laboratory facilities, and these also can accommodate around 70 to 80 students at a time. These laboratories are well equipped with different kinds of glasswares, apparatus, as well as chemicals to run the practical classes based on the applied chemistry. These are the small equipments which are mainly used for the BTech first year to run the practical classes, like hot plate for heating substances, magnetic stirrer for stirring the substances, a shaker, high precision weighing balance which can weigh the substance or measure the substance up to 4th decimal. Since we are running the master's course also, so we have separate inorganic chemistry laboratory. We have well-equipped organic chemistry laboratory. Also, we have well-equipped physical chemistry laboratory. Our PhD students are also working in different aspects of chemistry, and they are publishing very good papers in different international and national journals in SCI papers. We have few sophisticated instrumentation facilities also, like UV visible spectrophotometer. This instrument is mainly used to study the absorption property of different kinds of materials. This fluorescence spectrophotometer, it is used to study the photoluminescence property of different materials. These two instruments are the particle size analyzer having zeta potential facilities. These instruments are very much useful to determine the particle size as well as the particle size distribution of various kinds of nanomaterials and biomaterials. In these instruments, we can also study the surface property of the nanomaterials as well as biomaterials. We have a solar photovoltaic workstation which can characterize or through which we can determine or we can study the current voltage properties of different kind of materials which can be further used for the development of solar devices. Beside this, we also have a digital conference hall to carry out the meetings, seminars, presentations, project presentation, etc. So thank you very much, dear students. I wish all the best of luck in your future endeavor, and in the next semester, whenever you are coming, we will definitely interact with each other and will be able to know better about NIT Agartala and also about the chemistry department. So I hope a best of luck as well as best wishes in your future career. Thank you.